first, I need to build my array with side lengths of each factor. Remember, we are multiplying 4 and 2/10 times 2 and 3/10, which is, again, 4 wholes plus 2/10 times 2 wholes plus 3/10. So I'm going to show one side using my flats. Remember, this represents a whole. So I have 4 wholes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 wholes. So far this side length represents 4 wholes. And I need to represent my 2/10. Remember, I'm going to use my rods to represent tenths. So that's 1/10 and 2/10. So 4 wholes and 2/10. Now I'm going to represent the other side. So I need 2 wholes. So this is already 1 and now 2 wholes. And 3/10. 1, 2, 3/10. Now I'm just going to complete my array, filling it in with the rest of my blocks. So go here. So I have to make a rectangle. And there we go. And that's that. And I'm filling it in with my tenths. Tenths on this side. And then, because tenths can't fit here and a flat can't fit here, I have to fill this in with my hundredths. So that's my hundredths go there. So now I have completed my array.